Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
I know that you are now Vidura due to the cursing of Mandavya Muni, and that formerly you were King Yamarāja, the great controller of living entities after their death. You were begotten by the son of Satyavati Vyasdev in the kept wife of his brother. Mandavya Muni was a great sage, and Vidura was formerly the controller Yamarāja, who takes charge of the living entities after death. Birth, maintenance and death are three conditional states of the living entities who are within the material world. As the appointed controller after death, Yamarāja once tried Mandavya Muni for his childhood profligacy and ordered him to be pierced with a lance. Mandavya, being angry at Yamarāja for awarding him undue punishment, cursed him to become a Shudra, member of the less intelligent labourer class. Thus, Yamarāja took birth in the womb of the kept wife of Visitravirya from the semen of Visitravirya's brother, Vyasdev. Vyasdev is the son of Satyavati by the great king Shantanu, the father of Bhishmadev. This mysterious history of Vidura was known to Maitreya Muni because he happened to be a contemporary friend of Vyasdev's. In spite of Vidura's birth from the womb of a kept wife, because he had otherwise high parentage and great connection, he inherited the highest talent of becoming a great devotee of the Lord. To take birth in such a great family is understood to be an advantage for attaining devotional life. Vidura was given this chance due to his previous greatness.